Dressings and sauces are a delicious way to add flavor to many foods. There is more to sauces than just flavor. Citri-Fi natural citrus fiber provides many benefits to dressings and sauces. This natural ingredient, which has a very pleasant mouthfeel, improves texture by its high water holding capacity and its ability to provide viscosity when used under shear conditions. Citri-Fi binds oil and water to create stable emulsions that do not break down in harsh conditions. And when extending vegetable or fruit salads, this natural fiber may provide cost savings. Because Citri-Fi is used to replace ingredients such as starches, gums, emulsifiers with chemical-sounding names, or allergens, this fiber resonates well in the clean label markets. Citri-Fi can be labeled as citrus fiber, citrus flour, or dried citrus pulp. Citri-Fi benefits a variety of dressings and sauces, ranging from emulsified types to pulpy types, as listed here. We will briefly cover a few food applications to demonstrate its functional benefits. Citri-Fi can be used to create partially reduced egg, egg-free, or reduced oil mayonnaise-like products. Here's a case study demonstrating Citri-Fi's ability to replace all the egg content while providing thick and creamy texture stabilization and even an improved nutritional profile and potential cost savings. When used in a brown gravy sauce, Citri-Fi provides heat stability, emulsification, fat stabilization, and a smooth and uniform mouthfeel. In this case study, Citri-Fi stabilized the fat up to 15%, where under the same conditions the control was showing signs of flocculation and creaming. In a cheese sauce, Citri-Fi was used at about 0.5%, and it provided emulsification and fat stabilization, which helped prevent separation over time. In tomato sauce, Citri-Fi can be used to thicken while keeping the right kind of pulpy texture. It can be added on top of the formula or used to extend solids to provide cost savings at the same thickness. Used with high shear conditions, Citri-Fi opens up its structure to make a high viscosity texture, which improves the mouthfeel and body of the sauce while still providing syneresis control and freeze-thaw stability. Citri-Fi is used between 0.2 and 0.4%. Similarly, you can use this capability in a barbecue sauce. Citri-Fi can provide the high viscosity after using shear conditions, and it will improve the texture and mouthfeel of the sauce without needing to add any other thickeners. No heat is required to activate the Citri-Fi. The natural fiber provides water binding, syneresis control, and freeze-thaw stability due to its high water holding capacity. If you are interested in more information about the applications mentioned, please check out our videos on pulpy sauces or emulsified sauces in the video library on our website or on the YouTube FiberStar channel. If you have any additional questions, you can contact us by any of the ways here. Thank you.